Now children, we will learn the relationship between HCF and LCM. Now before directly showing you or explaining you the formula, I would first explain you exactly what relation do we get in between HCF and LCM. Now children, just see here. If we take any two numbers, you take any two numbers. Here I have considered the number 30 and 45. Let me multiply both the numbers. The multiplication answer that I get is known as the product. So the product of 30 and 45 will be 1350. Is this much clear? I hope it's clear because it is easy to understand. Now let's see. Now we will do we will be finding the HCF of 30 and 45. Let's find the HCF first. 30 and 45. The common factor that will divide both the numbers are 5. 5 6 are, 5 9s are. Again the common one that I get is 3. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. That's over. So the HCF is 5 into 3, that is 15. Now LCM. Let's find the LCM as well of the numbers 30 and 45. So 2 15s are. Now children, I have taken 2 here because we are finding LCM. LCM does not bother to what factor you take, though one of it is divisible by that. So here 2 is divisible by 30, but it is not divisible by 45. So that is not a concern with LCM. We can take any of the factor which can at least divide any one. So here I have taken 2, 2 15, 2 45. Again I have taken 3. 3 is 5s are 15. 3 15s are 45. Again I have taken 3. 3 5 I have brought down as it is, and again 3 5s are 15. And finally 5 1s are 1s are. So here 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is giving me 90. Now children, when I multiply the HCF and LCM of the numbers 30 and 45, I get the same answer. If you see, I get the same answer. That means, can I say that the product of any two numbers, I have just randomly taken these numbers, the product of any two number is always equal to the HCF into LCM. So this is how we get the relationship between HCF and LCM. So now children, let us see the formula. As I told you, HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers. Now if we have to find LCM, I will keep it as an unknown term at one side, and I will be sending HCF to the right hand side. The right side thing will not change. It will be constant at its place. So product of two numbers divided by HCF. Why did this division come and how? Because HCF and LCM are together bonded by a multiplication sign. When it shifts its place from one place to other, maybe from left to right or right to left, the sign becomes opposite. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So HCF becomes divided by. And similarly, if I have to find HCF and keeping it as an unknown term, I'll keep it at one side. Product of the two numbers will remain constant at the right hand side. I will be shifting LCM over here. So the formula becomes product of two number divided by LCM. So these are the two formulas of HCF and LCM. We can also write, children, as we all know, that product of two number is nothing but one of the number which is multiplied by the second number. So this also can be considered a formula in some few of your sums. Now children, depending on the relationship between HCF and LCM, we will solve some few sums. I have taken the sums from my practice time 7. The question number 1, find the LCM if the product of two numbers is given as 150 and HCF is given as 5. Now we all know the formula for LCM. LCM is equal to product of two number divided by HCF. So product is 150. So I have substituted the value. Divided by HCF is given as 5. So again I have put up 5 here. When I divide this, I get 30. So my LCM is 30.